Come on, we're going.
Where's Papa? Where's Papa?
Look what I got.
Papa.
Let's go. Bye, Papa. All right, here we go. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Tell us where we're going. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. There it is. We are now. Yeah, what do you guys? It's busy today.
I wish all these people would just go home. Want to get to the campsite.
Mama wants a campsite.
Let's go. Daddy, look.
Good job.
Hey, Mom, I still want to check the apple.
Chuck. All right. Ready to go? Let's do it.
Grandson.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Shockadoo. Bye bye. This in half. Myra, are you gonna want more? Half for you.
What do you think?
Half for you.
Pretty good?
We're supposed to just eat it, right?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna take the Ziploc.
Mr. Dinosaur on the head, in the face, and in the bed. Hey.
How did you sleep?
Not very good. Only like 4 hours of sleep. And he's you. Oh, I have earrings. Looky, looky.
What do you want to do today, Ev?
Bonfire.
Who are those kids? Yeah. Yee! Bounce on that thing a little bit. Sand sculpture. Say, welcome to Mirror Lake.
Welcome to Mirror Lake.
Car. Let's go over here. Go over this side. There's a car, guys.
Myra, come on this side.
Don't stop, Abby. Up and down. Go, Abby.
It's actually pretty cute. I want
Point to it. Don't fall off. Okay, too close to the edge. Mama, what are you looking at? Oh, there you go.
And there was something on the
Getting anything?
Oh!
She's going. Careful. Wow.
I'm going on log number 2. This is actually what I beat you. You can't do it as well as me. Well, one.
Somebody got their pot
Is that the pine cone?
I think might have been the pine cone.
It's so
Bear jam. It's a bear jam.
big.
He's tagged. He's got a collar. Keeping an eye on him. Silly dance. Do it. Let's go. Rainbow. Man, it's just so crazy. That's the best waterfall experience in the valley right there. Mama, come pet him. Give him a scrub. Hug the other one.
Hug.
All right, let's go, guys.
Let's go.
How's that thing?
I'm trying it. I need it. smushed it up.
Put it in. Got
Let's
it.
put the cookie in the oven.
Okay,
Put the cookie
everyone.
in the oven.
Empty it out. Evie, I like all your stuff.
It's not down on the beach. Wait, but I don't
He's going against it. Go! Whoa! Come on, you're almost there! Big arms! Oh, wow! That was thunder. We gotta go. You going? Yee! Five, four, three, two, dip. Oh, I'll take that instead. Come on, you gotta rinse. Let's go. There's thunder coming. I got a towel. I'll wrap you up.
You said it was just clouds.
I thought it was just clouds, Mommy. Hey, Neil.
Wait, did it streak? Where did it hit?
It's like super black.
Wow, heavy. They're walking. They're coming. My. Do you like the thunder?
No way.
Heavy? That was good. She's doing better. Packed up all her stuff. Because it's going to storm. What are you playing?
Sleeping Queens.
Is she making you move?
We are moving.
Is this the place?
It's the place. I'm not proud of myself.
It's got a nice view.
Like he's going. I have pants on.
That's how you
My.
punch with it.
What you doing up on this log?
Wait, then pirate.
Suckers.
Army. Wait, don't you touch tapping. It's tapping.
Okay.
Tap.
Bravo.
Woo! City. Is it going? Can you push it in? Oh, it's budging.
Are you kidding? Well, let's keep pushing. Come on, just budge.
Neil.
Make sure you have some of mine.
What is it again? Oh,
I hate
You don't want that thing?
It's hot as hell.
Away.
But I won't be, I'll eat another bite in a while.
Snapper. Snapper wrapper. I got.
Oh gosh.
Do you like cucumbers?
At 11, 1, and 2:30.
Oh, cool.
Love it already, but I can't because it's too hot.
Okay, does someone want to put like 3 more on?
Do you want to roast some?
Who's a moron?
3 more.
I'm just like gonna snap the stick.
Did you? Well, that's why they look like fingers. Can you not?
Well, look how big these
Those
ones
are
are.
like giant Polish dogs.
I'll get you lots
What
of
is
spice.
this?
I'll get you lots of spice. You can't buy it.
What do we got here?
million brushes. Yes, but I'll get you lots of spice. Like a bunch of spice. Cause no penguins. Like a bunch of spice. I'll give you all my hedgehogs. No. We'll give you a bunch of spice. No. Why not? Cause. But they're not even yours. Even better.
They're not hot dogs.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't.
Thank you.
Not too big, Abby.
So you'll hit my tummy.
My tummy.
You fell them down.
Like last weekend, and so for church, they all got to just come. Definitely not happy.
We're gonna go all the way up there.
Yeah, let's keep moving.
Wait, we're gonna go all the way up.
No, we're not going all the way up there.
You're
There's a log right on.
Keep going, Abby.
Down the waterfall.
Go.
Sat on the log on
Go, Mama, go.
the top of the water. On the top of the water. I found another right down.
I found another log. That's cool. Doing great. One more couple switchbacks and then we'll head back. Pretty good, guys. Abby, Mama, what do you think?
And I feel like we got maybe about
Where'd it go?
Yeah, we cut back to the right. Yeah, it's all downhill from now. We don't have to go up anymore.
because our car is down there.
Wow.
I mean, this is
No, that doesn't count. They have to be big.
okay.
The one I got earlier.
Oh, that's cool. Where? That's like up in the bushes up there. before sunrise, nobody's on this thing. Got like a couple more switchbacks. Get up there. More bugs up here too. The Emerald Pool filled up. Not bad. And half tone's up there. There you go. Mama's trying to hop with water.
$3.50.
Pizza pie.
I said she didn't want. I took off all your pineapples on purpose.
I know, I didn't think of my pineapple.
All right, holiday lodge. Pretty fun.
Say Happy Holiday Lodge.
Happy holiday, love. I like that. This and I get this.
It's gushing. Oh, that's rad. I think that might be it for our uphill, our big uphill. I made it! We made it! Okay, no one's allowed to fall off the bridge. Come on, Mama, you made it! didn't make it all the way up, but it was good enough. It's pretty good.
Hey, Aspen, pop your head up.
Okay, look at your mom.
Aspen, 1, 2. Aspen, look at me. 3. Good job.
Cobbler, mobbler.
Evelyn Moore.
You can have this for breakfast.
No. We could put it in that can and you could have it for breakfast.
Husband's not gonna eat.
You could have.
You could have it for
Just
breakfast.
stick it in the pot.
I'll eat.
You want this? I don't think I can eat anymore.
It smells like a pool house. Right?
Let's go say bye to everybody.
Bye bye, everybody.
Hugs, come hug. Bye, guys. Come give Porter a hug. Oh.
Potty first.
Give a hug.
Potty first.
Bye. 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 1, 2, 3. Bye, Yosemite.
Aspen.
And Aspen.
And Aspen. Aspen, you're coming with us.
Hello.
Oh, hugs. Right?